Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use task groups in Apache Airflow. It's very simple and it helps you a lot to organize your task so people can understand better your pipelines. Let's see a little of code. To create a task group is very easy. You just use a decorator task group, then you define a function. The name of the function will be name of the task group. For example, the name of the function is task group, so the name here, you see the same task group. Then inside the task group, you just declare task as always. In my case, I'm using the Taskflow API, so each task is a function. And the function name is the same as the task name. Now inside the task group, you need to declare dependencies. You can just run two tasks in parallel, like like this, or you can run them sequentially. Like this. So Airflow sometimes take like 30 seconds to update the DAG and pick up the changes. Now it's working. You see, after changing this dependencies, now our task group have the same order. A very useful feature inside the Airflow UI that you can expand your task inside the task group or collapse them. When you have too many tasks, it's very useful. Hopefully this simple explanation about how to use task groups in Apache Airflow will help you. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.